Good day, sir. I'm Raymond Norpano, BR Stream 1E. One. One classical school of criminology. Focus on the crime based on the perception that individuals choose to commit crimes after weighing the consequences of their actions. According to classical criminologists, individuals have free will to philosophic calculus and or the pleasure and the pain principle is a theory that proposes that individuals calculate consequences of his actions by weighting pressure, pain, suffering he will derive doing the action. 3. Philosophic calculus or the pleasure and pain principles is a theory that proposes that individuals calculate the consequences of his action by weighting the pleasure, gain, and the pain, suffering he would derive from doing the action. 4. Neoclassical. These theories modified the doctrine free will by stating that free will of men may be affected other factors crime is committed due to some compelling reason that prevail. 5. Positivist school. It demands for fact and scientific proof, thus changing the study of crimes and criminals into scientific approach. Biology, psychology, and sociological determinism. 6. Sociological determinism. Believe that criminals could not be morally responsible for their crimes, which did not choose to commit crime, but rather were driven to commit them by conditions in their lives. 7. Raffaele Garofalo. Influenced by Loso theory of atavistic stigma. Man's interior animalistic behavior takes the roots of criminal behavior, not to physical features, psychological equivalence, which moral and anomalies. 8. Chicago School emphasizes the interaction between social and psychological actors that factors the importance of biology and physical factors in crime causation. Positive, the crime was usually defined and that it was usually determined. 8. Gabriel Tardy. He was a French lawyer and sociologist. He emphasized that social factors were sufficient to explain why crime or time within in society. 30 contented lots of people to engage in crime as some people legitimate edition of visions and social customs. 11. Theories of imitation. This meant that people imitate others within frequent contact, especially the same way people copy and come to prefer different style of clothing. 12. Socialize school. Based on the writings French angels around 1850, he emphasized that economic determinism and concentrates among all citizens. Their theories are based upon basic idea poverty, which is people be inclined to criminal. 13. Cartographic school. This school view crime as necessary expression of social conditions. One of these alternative ways associate with looking for geographical matters in criminal behavior. 14. Contribution includes elements of deterrence, incapacitation, and rehabilitation, but also ensures that guilty will be punished, protected, and societal balance restored after being destructive by crime. Distribution is those only appropriate moral justification for punishment. 15. Deterrence. That if offenders see that crimes are punished, then should from committing those crimes and should also show others in society that crimes are punished and also deter from committing similar crimes.